we're going to explain how to fix a black screen issue on your Koorui monitor. 1. First, check the most obvious things. Is the monitor actually turned on? Look for a power indicator light. Is the power cord securely plugged into both the monitor and the wall outlet? Try a different outlet to rule out a power issue. 2. Next, examine the cables. Is the HDMI or DisplayPort cable firmly connected to both the monitor and your computer or other source device? Try wiggling the cable gently. A loose connection is a common culprit. Try using a different cable if you have one available. This helps determine if the cable itself is faulty. 3. Let's move on to the input source. Make sure your computer or device is set to output to the correct input on your Koorui monitor. Your monitor likely has multiple input options: HDMI 1, HDMI 2, DisplayPort, etc. Check the monitor's on-screen display (OSD) menu, usually accessed by pressing a button on the monitor itself, to see which input is selected. Sometimes you accidentally select the wrong input source. 4. Now let's check your computer or device settings. If the problem started after a recent software update or change, try reverting those changes. Make sure your computer's graphics card drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers are a frequent cause of display problems. You can typically download updated drivers from the manufacturer's website, like NVIDIA or AMD. 5. If you've connected multiple monitors, try disconnecting the others to see if that resolves the black screen. Sometimes a conflict between monitors can cause issues. 6. Power cycling your equipment is often surprisingly effective. Completely shut down your computer, unplug both the computer and the monitor from the power outlets, wait for about 30 seconds, plug them back in, and turn them on again. This allows everything to fully reset. 7. Consider your monitor's settings. Access your monitor's OSD menu again and check the brightness and contrast settings. It's possible the brightness is set too low, resulting in a seemingly black screen. Also, check the sleep power saving settings within the monitor's menu. 8. Test with another device. If you have access to another computer or device, like a gaming console or Blu-ray player, try connecting it to your Koorui monitor. If that device works, the problem is likely with your initial computer or its connection, not the monitor itself. 9. If none of the above steps work, the problem might be a more serious hardware issue. This could involve a faulty monitor, a malfunctioning graphics card, or a problem with the power supply in your computer. At this point, you may need professional help for repair or replacement.